Ooh. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Anybody who's new, this is my channel. My name is Brianna. Sorry I've been gone for a while, everyone. I'm back and I'm here to stay. So we're gonna start this look. The products that you will be needing for this look are Elmer's glue, some fake blood, some cheap face paint that I got from the dollar store, and some doo-doo wipes, along with some bob wire. It's not actually bob wire. It's like arts and crafts wire from the dollar store, and it's super light. It's like fake wire. It's supposed to mimic wire, but yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna split the tissue in half. That's the first step to get it super thin, and then you're gonna cut it in half, and you're just gonna rip and measure the tissue to the shape of your mouth, how you want your mouth to be. There's a damn bug. Shit, my bad. Okay, so we're getting our school glue, and I'm placing it on my face just using my finger, and that will also help you can use it as a guide and an outline for how you want your mouth to be. And then you're gonna stick that toilet paper on your face and make sure it's on super flat, and then any edges that aren't sticking to the glue, you can just rip it off. As simple as that. As simple as cheese on a string bean. And then you're just gonna fill in any gaps that you missed, and then you're gonna want to put a layer of glue on top of that tissue paper lightly, and then I'm going in with a flat brush to do that. And then after you do that, you're gonna want to blow dry it. Basically, it's really simple. It's really easy to make a mask, especially if you don't have latex. This is great. Just use some school glue. And here what I'm doing is trying to smoothen out the edges. A tip: don't go too far off the tissue paper with the glue, because if you put it on your face and you move your face a bit, or like you move your mouth around, then the glue's gonna start to peel. So just try your best to leave it on the tissue paper. So this is how it looks when I finish drying it. This is how the second layer looks. And now again, I'm just trying to like blend it out, make it look good. I put another layer of glue on top of that, and I'm just drying it. And that is how our mold is made. It's super easy. I was jamming out to some British rap. Some British rap. If you don't listen to British rap, you need to go listen to British rap. Now I'm just cutting open the mouth. But before you do this, you're gonna want to put on your foundation. I almost forgot, but I did it. And yeah, you're just gonna take your foundation, put it on top of the toilet paper to help make it blend into your skin and look like it's skin. And a tip: if you want your mouth to look super smooth, because mine doesn't really look that smooth, it's all in the way that you lay down your tissue paper on your face. So just make sure you lay down the tissue paper as flat as you can and as smooth as you can, and then you'll be good to go. And now here I'm just cutting the rest of the mouth open. You don't want to cut it too far open, just enough to mimic that your mouth is sewn shut. And yeah, that's it. It's really easy. This look is so cool and super easy. I also trimmed those two flabs a bit. I trimmed it so it looked more realistic in a way. Now I'm going in with the fake blood and the bruising, and I'm just using that face paint from the dollar store that I showed you to make it up here as it's bruised and purple, and like looks like my face got chopped open basically. And I went in with some black, and I filled in my lips with that black as well. Now I'm going with the wire. You can see it. It's really skinny and it's super light. It doesn't even feel like actual wire, but it's really good. I'm happy I got it. And okay, initially, like my first plan for this was to make staples. As you can see, I was planning on making staples, so it would look super cool as if I stapled my mouth, but that didn't work. So I'm like, you know what, let me just sew it up, act like I sewed it together. So I just weaved the wire in and out, as you can see, pushing it in from the bottom lip and then up through the top, and you're just acting as if you're sewing. It's super easy, and it looks super cool at the end when you add all the blood. It's really cool and it's really easy. So you're just gonna want to weave that in and out until you get it to look the way you want. And now I'm just filling in my eyebrows to help with some to help bring my face together a bit more, like when I do my facial expressions. Going in with some black eyeshadow, making it look as if my eyes are running because I've been crying. I'll make it look a little bit better. I think I added too much black in the end, but it's all good. You guys do you. Touch it up, tweak it up to your liking. Now what I'm doing is adding the blood, which brings this look together. So I'm just dripping it all over, putting it in the places I want. I was so happy I had the blood because I'm like, okay, I can just cover whatever mistakes I made. I was that loud hoe in class that never shut up, and one person got tired of me, so they kidnapped me before I got home after school, and they shut my mouth. They sewn it shut with some barbed wire. At this age, how could a man them hating? My boy's in a different country, but he ain't never been on vacation. One hand on a girl I'm dating, one hand on the cash I'm making. We come through like Funky Friday, and have all now I'm just making my hair look super mad, super crazy, and I'm just teasing it. That's the easiest way to do it. You just like hold the strand and you like pull it up. I don't know. You can see by the video. Just watch the video. And yeah, that's basically it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you follow all the social media links in my description box down below. Make sure you follow my Soundcloud because I will be putting out music shortly. Soon I will be. So make sure you do all of that. Hit the thumbs up button. And thank you so much for watching this video. And this part was super cool because I had my own prosthetic that fit my face and it looked realistic. I was like, hell yes. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow all the links in my description box down below. I already said that. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.